Welcome to Vansah. In this video, you'll learn how to block a test case in Vansah Test Management for Jira and choose whether the block applies only to a specific work item or across all projects. Start by opening the relevant Jira work item to view its related test cases. In the Vansah panel, find the test case you want to block. Now, click the More Options menu beside the test case and select Block Test Case. A confirmation window will appear. Here you can choose whether to block the test case against this work item only, or uncheck the option to block it globally, across all linked Jira work items and projects. Once you've selected the scope, click Block to confirm. After blocking, you'll see the blocked status displayed on the test case. To view more details, simply click the status indicator. You'll see information like who blocked the test case, the date and time, and the scope of the block. You'll also notice that the status panel updates to show the number of block test cases within your Jira work item. And that's it! You've successfully blocked a test case in Jira using Vansah. To unblock it later, follow the same steps and select Unblock Test Case. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more Vansah for Jira tutorials.